Okay, we have a question from Rajat. He says, I'm currently learning React.js and I'm a little confused about how data is passed between components. Can you explain parent to child and child to parent communication in the simplest possible way with a basic example? Okay, let's take an example. Passing values in React.js, you can pass values with props. Okay, a prop looks like this. If this is a component, a prop looks like this. Okay, this is how you're sending value. Let's take, say for an example, this is an app. Okay, this is an app and I have created a child component called as child. The name itself is child, and if you go inside child, we have a return statement with the div tag. Okay, this is the child component and the value received is so and so. Okay, so I'm just passing a prop here. The prop name is name and I'm passing India. So if you have to receive this, all you have to do is here you're gonna receive it with the value with a variable called as props. Okay, this can be anything, but I'm using props. So using that, I can display the value as props dot name. Okay, so this is how you receive the value and display it. If I do Control S and if I go here and if we refresh this, so you can do the value received is India. Okay, this is the value that is sent from the parent and received in the child. Okay, let's go back here. You can send multiple values here. Okay, say you can send multiple values. So what I will do is I will send something called as city is equal to Bangalore. So you come back here, the city is props.city. If I refresh this and if I go here and then just refresh this, the city is Bangalore. You can send a number of values, not just 1, 2, you can send any number of values, and you can even send numbers. Currently you are sending strings. Now let me send a number here. So I'm sending a number. So one thing what you have to keep in mind is when you're sending number, you're not using the quotes, you're just directly sending with the parenthesis. Okay, that is how you send the numbers. So you come here, you can receive it here. The pin code is same, props dot pin code. This method remains same here as well. So let's go back and then refresh it and you're receiving the number here. So you can pass multiple values as showed. You can pass numbers, but they do not need to be in the codes. So my question is, what happens if you're sending a prop but you're not receiving in the child? As in, I'm sending name, city and pin code, but I'm not using it here. I'm not using it. So what will happen?